The concept behind Majaica House was to create a unique experience of continuous connection with its surroundings. We designed simple, symmetrical volumes that would be integrated with the surrounding context, blending seamlessly with the immediate terrain. The design consists of 3 clean blocks, 2 housing the private rooms and the third, the largest one, containing the main core of the house, public and social areas. This central block opens up the most towards the outside, embracing the great weather and providing a sense of openness and connectivity. To maximize the connection with the outdoors, we oriented all the buildings towards the main core of the concept, the outside, utilizing a single-level plan. This design choice allows for a feeling of freedom and direct contact with the pool and nature, creating a comfortable atmosphere with captivating views from every angle. Each of the 3 spaces in Casa Majaica is built on a base with consistent texture and outline, emphasizing the importance of the chosen materials. These materials are low maintenance and will evolve over time, contributing to a dynamic and living architecture.